KCET 2025 aspirants, so all of you know that the KEA has activated the link for registration and application form. So in my previous video I have discussed detailed step-by-step process how to do the registration, right? So in that video I have told you that I'll be very soon coming up with the video where I'll be discussing how are you going to fill the application form. So in today's video we are going to talk about step-by-step guidance how to fill the application form. Okay, so yes, you can watch this video if you haven't done your registration till now. This video link will be there in the description section, so register yourself. And one more thing, this filling of the application process is little lengthy, okay, and a tedious process, so please do not hurry. You have the last date till 18th of February, so you can do like a calm way. So watch this video, collect all the documents that you required, keep it with you, then start filling the application form. Okay, so you just do it on the day when you are completely free, so that you can take your time and finish all the process without any mistake, because this is something which is very, very critical. Okay, fine. Now coming to the thing how to start. So if your registration is completed, you have to go to the KEA website, then click on the first link, that is online application link. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page where you can see proceed to login for registered users. So those students who haven't registered, they will click on this one for new registration, but as we have already registered, we will go and click on this one, that is proceed to login for registered users. Once you click on this, you will be having this page. Okay, in this page what you have to do, you have to enter your registration number. So this registration number was given to you once you have completed your registration. You would remember one blue screen pop up with your registration ID and password, right? So you have to enter that registration number, your password, and then you have to enter the captcha that is shown here. Now once you enter these all things, then you have to click on login using OTP. Okay, once this is done, what you have to do, you will receive the OTP in your phone, so on your registered mobile number, so you have to enter the OTP. Now after entering the OTP, there is no such button which you can press. So remember, once you have entered the OTP, you just press enter from your laptop or your desktop. Okay, now once this is done, okay, so I will write here, please enter, you have to press on enter button. Okay, so now once you press the enter button, you will be directed to this page. Now in this page you have to enter all these things. So what all things we have to enter here? We have to enter the general details, then we have to enter the eligibility clause, reservation, study details, NRI, signature, course details, payment, and application print. So these all 9 parameters has to be filled. Now in general details, some of the boxes will already be filled because these details you have already provided when you registered for the KCET, right? So for example, you can see here registration number is already filled, okay, then your name will already be there, okay, then your guardian name, mother's name, your date of birth, then your gender, mobile number, email, these all things will already be there. Okay, what you have to fill is your state, then your district, your taluk, your address, pin code, and your qualification, your nationality, resident, country, religion, and if you are Christian, you have to also select the subcaste and your mother tongue. Now once you select all this, click on the save button. Okay, so once you click on the save button, if you have filled all the details, you will get a message like this, that general details saved successfully. Okay, if this message is not coming, you can try one or more, you just check that you have filled it everything. If you are not getting this message, there is some error, so please correct it, then you will get this message. Now once you are done with this, you will be seeing that once you cross this one, right, you got this pop-up, you cross this, then you will see this link is activated, that is next page. So click on the next page to fill the next details. So the next details here is your eligibility clause. So here you have to enter your 12th study details. So here also you can see you have to like, do you claim seat under NRI ward, yes or no. Next, total number of years studied in Karnataka, then qualifying exam, your first year, that is which board, second year is which board, then your registration number in 12th, then you have your in which year you completed your 12th if you have completed, if not you can you can leave it. Next you have in which district you completed your 12th, in which college you completed your 12th, then did you appear for CET before or not. Okay, and if you have applied, you have to enter your CET admission ticket number, in which year you appeared, and did you get any college or not. Now after that, you have to select your eligibility clause. So there are A to O. Okay, there are 15 eligibility clauses. I have a detailed video where I have explained all the eligibility clauses and the documents required. So make sure that you select your clause properly, and then you have to enter here. Okay. Now after this, you have to click on this save button. Once you click on this save button, you will find this pop up again, eligibility clause details saved successfully. Once you get this message, again cross it. Once you cross it, this link will again be activated, that is next page. So go to the next page. In the next page, you have to enter all your reservations. Okay, if you have claim for any particular reservation, you have to select yes or no. So for example, do you want to claim other category than GM? No. Then yes or no, depends on you. Do you want to claim income? So if your income is less than 5 lakhs, sorry, your family income is less than 8 lakhs, then you can go for this reservation. Then you have, if you have studied in Kannada from 1st to 10th standard, that is also a reservation you will be getting. If you have linguistic minority, you will get. If you are son or daughter of Jammu and Kashmir migrants, then also you can select that. Next you have that is Kalyana Karnataka reservation, KKR. If you are applying, you have select that. You can select if you have studied in rural area, then you have St. John reservation claim, and you have sports and all. These all reservation claims you have to select. Whichever yes or no you have to select. If yes is there, then you have to give the number, which the certificate number you have to provide. So once you have select all this, okay, you have to click on the save button again. Okay, so till now what all things we have done, we have saved our general details, we have saved our 12th details, we have also, now we are saving the reservation details. So you click on the save button, you can see reservation and claims saved successfully. After that, you can see here there are 6 claims, what all things you have chosen, not claimed, not claimed, not claimed. If you would have claimed anything, then the certificate number will display here. Okay, and after that, once you have done, you have to click on the next page. Okay, so now this next page will take you to study details. So you see we have done general details, eligibility, reservation, now study details. Now study details, you have to add your certificates from 1st standard to 11th standard if you are in 12th class now, or if you are dropper 1st to 12th, or how much how many years you have studied in Karnataka, all those classes details you have to add. Okay, so like for example, this student has studied from 4th onwards, so I have to apply, or I have to fill the study details from 4th, 5th, 6th to up to 12th. Okay, so you can see here, first is you have to select the passed class. So if you are in 12th, you can select from 11th, select the start year, select the board and the educational district. Okay, so passed year means which year you passed that particular class. Suppose you are in 11th, so you are in 12th, you must have passed your 12th in suppose you are in 12th now, you would have passed your 11th in 2024. Sorry, I got one second. If you are, yes, in 11th, you would have passed 2024, and in 12th, you will pass 2025. Hopefully, all of you will pass, right? So, yes. So, your passed year for 11th will be 2024. Now, which board you selected? You are in CBSE, ICSE, state board. So, select that. Once you click on this, you will get a menu, and from that you can select. Similarly, educational district. Okay, these all details you have to fill. So, I can show you one example. Karnataka passed class is 12th. Passed year is 2024, Karnataka State Board. District I have selected Bangalore North. Here you have to give the details of your school. Okay, now if there is a list, once you click on this one, list of schools will come, you have to select that. But if you are not getting, you just select others and then enter your school name. Okay, school or college name. So like this you have to click then add study details. Once you have done this, you have to go for 11th, for 10th, 9th, 8th, 7th, like that. So you can see like this, you can see a document where all the details of the schools formed from 4th to 12th I have entered. Okay, now this is done. After this, what you have to do, you have to click on the next button. Okay, so total, here you can see one very important thing, total number of studied years is 9. So this has to be 7 or more than 7 to be eligible if you are a resident of Karnataka. Okay, now click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, you will go to the next thing, that is NRI. Okay, so do you want to claim for NRI? If yes, then you have to fill the details. If no, then simply select on next button. Once you click on the next button, we are going to next thing, that is your uploading of signature. So you have to click here, you have to choose the file, you have to click on upload, and your signature will be uploaded. Okay, so once the signature is uploaded, you will see a message like this, signature file uploaded successfully. So click on this cross button, then you can see the photo and signature has been uploaded. Then again click on the next button. Okay, once you are clicking on this next button, one more important thing, the file size should be within 50 KB. Okay, this is very important. Okay, file size should be in JPG or PNG format and should be within 50 KB. Now click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you will go to course selection and exam center. So here you have to select that I wish to take CET exam, yes. Select preferred language of question paper, English or Kannada, based on whatever you want. Then select the subjects. So now if you want to go for engineering, you have to select PCM. If you want to go for physics, chemistry, biology for nursing, veterinary, yoga and naturopathy, agriculture and pharmacy. So if you want to get into these courses, nursing, veterinary, yoga and naturopathy, agriculture, pharmacy, then you have to select PCB. For all other courses, it is PCMB. Okay, for all other courses. So if you are now not very sure whether you want to go engineering or then you select all the subjects, go for PCMB. Okay, then you are eligible for all the courses because you have PCM also, you have PCB also. Okay, so if you have any confusion what you want to study, actually you are not sure, you can go for PCMB. So select that and then click on apply. Once you click on the apply button, you will see in saved successfully. So click on this one. After this, there will be exam center details. Okay, what is the application fee? That is your 600. Which course did you select? You select PCM for UG CET engineering. This is what I have selected. Next, exam center details for UG CET applied candidates. So here is something, do you want to claim for agriculturist quota? Yes or no, you have to select. If you are selecting yes, then agriculture practical exam center you have to select. If you are clicking no, that's fine. Okay, then your exam center you can select. Here there is priority 1, which is the first exam center that you want to give. Then next one you can select the second, any other exam center which is near to you. Now which center will be allotted to you, okay, will depend on the availability of the seats. Like for example, if in a center there are 200 seats and the first 200 students have already registered for that particular center and you are the 201 student, then you will not be getting, you will be getting your second preference. If that is also not filled, they have to adjust it. So make sure that the advantage of filling the application form earlier is that you get your preferred center easily. Okay, so that is why do not delay more, try to fill it, do not keep it for the last moment. Okay, so you have to click on this submit button. Now once you click on this submit button, you can see again you will get a message of saved successfully. So click on this cross button, then once happens you have to click this submit button. So after that you have a draft of application copy. You can download this one or else you can go to the next page. Once you go to the next page, you are having candidate's number, your application number, KA reference number, amount you have to paid will be shown, and then you have to click on pay now. Okay, so once you click on the pay now, you will be directed to the payment page. Now here you have to see if you are using credit card or debit card, then you can use only HDFC bank cards. Okay, no other bank cards are allowed. If you then other than that, you can use Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, all these payments options are available. So click on the pay now button. Once you can scan the QR code, you can use this one or you can select any of this and do pay now. Okay, once you have completed the payment, you will get a receipt like this, that the candidate name is there, application number, reference number, bank transaction number, amount paid, payment status. You will get a message like transaction successful. Okay, now please download the payment receipt for reference and click next to download. So once you click on the print button, you will get a message like this or one PDF like this where your online payment received is shown. Okay, Now once this is done, you have to go for the final thing, that is application print. So click here to print the final application. Okay, so you have to click on this. You will get a PDF like this. The final copy of your application form is here, where all the details regarding your like all the things that you have selected will be shown. So you can check this and your application process ends here. Okay, so that's all we have to do for this application process. If you have any doubt regarding this, please put down your comments. I'll definitely address to it. And once again, I'm telling you, this is very, very important, critical and a tiring process. So do not do it in a hurry. Do it when you have plenty of time, when you are like fully free. Sit and do it. Okay, it will take some time. You need patience for this. So that's all, students, and see you soon in the next class.